To remove the power button board, first remove the cable cover, the stand, and the rear cover. Detach the Torx 15 screw that secures the power button board bracket to the panel assembly. Partially pull out the power button board assembly. Detach the connector from the power button board to remove the power button assembly from the unit. Detach the two Phillips No. 1 screws that secure the board to the bracket. Pull the board off of the bracket. To install the power button board, place the board onto its bracket, and secure with its two Phillips No. 1 screws. There are two small holes on the power button board bracket that align over locator pins on the panel assembly. To install the power button assembly, first reattach the connector to the power button board. Press the bracket holes over the pins to replace the board and bracket assembly. Secure the power button board assembly in the unit with its Torx 15 screw.